Hello and welcome back. So in this video I talk about 5 tips on teacher job searches. So we go through the CV and covering letter. So with the CV and covering letter, make sure you clean it up, polish it and highlight your key skills. So in my case it'd be digital skills. Your skills might be different to mine, so make sure you highlight it on your CV, highlight it on your covering letter, so when you're sending your CV and covering letter to employers, they should get a snapshot of exactly what your key skills are and also how you can help them. Number 2, recruitment agencies. Register with recruitment agencies. Make sure that they know that you are available for work, what your requirements are, your location, how far you're willing to travel, etc., salary expectations, all those type of things. And it's in their best interest to help you, but make sure your salary, benefits, everything is what you want. Okay, number 3 is LinkedIn. So I talked about LinkedIn previously. So now LinkedIn, you have your profile page and make sure you have a photo there, nice, friendly, professional photo. Your background should be something that is related to your subject or your key skills, and in the profile statement you can write down who you are, what you do and how you can help in a snapshot. Okay, number 4 is job fairs. So when you attend job fairs, you get to meet people face to face, and it's a different dynamic to then sending off a CV. So make sure you leave them your details, and when you leave them your details, you can, they will get back to you, or there's a way for them to get back to you. And also you're doing this face to face in person, completely different dynamic. Okay, and number 5, application forms. So the thing with application forms is there's essential requirements and desirable requirements for any school or college job. Make sure you meet all the essential requirements, because if you don't, you won't be selected for an interview. 9 times out of 10, I almost always get an interview because I make sure I fill in the essential requirements and the desirable requirements. And also give examples, plenty of examples, so then they don't have a reason for them to say no to you. I hope that's helped some teachers out there who are still looking for a job. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.